These 5 free AI tools will genuinely blow your mind. Yes, you're right. Allow me to provide you with information about these incredible tools. First on the list is ChatGPT. I believe no one could be missing this AI platform. However, if you are included. Anyways, let's begin. ChatGPT is equipped with the ability to write essays, compose emails, and even create code for you, all of which can be done for free. You have the luxury of saving a substantial amount of time every day by using this AI tool. If you happen to be a student, then it's best not to use ChatGPT, as it doesn't cater to your complex and difficult work that requires hours of effort. It's a true advantage to be able to complete such tasks extremely. Moving forward, we have Canva AI. This AI tool is fantastic for designing stunning graphics, engaging presentations, and even producing videos. Regardless of whether you're a beginner or an expert, Canva AI can help you create professional and impactful content without any prior experience. If you want to create videos without any complications or require editing, simply choose from a variety of pre-built footage and stock videos and customize them with templates. Enjoy the convenience and let Canva AI become your go-to design solution. Our next AI destination is Pictory AI. This platform is highly efficient at turning text into instant video content. It works perfectly for YouTube creators, marketers, or anyone who needs rapid video content for various purposes. Before reaching the final AI tool, I invite you to open the comment box on the side and share your name and country so I can personally notify my family members about upcoming video uploads. From there, let's discuss the final AI platform, Jasper AI. This AI tool is designed for creating blogs, marketing materials, or social media content with ease. It serves as an excellent solution for individuals seeking productivity and creativity enhancements. If you find these video descriptions inspiring, after each video release, you'll receive the first notice. Moreover, let me know which AI tool would be your next choice. Feel free to comment below, and don't forget to take a look at the provided links to explore these outstanding tools for yourself, all at no cost.